Hi, I'm Tim, co-owner of Crystal Blue Plumbing, Heating and Air. We're family owned and operated since 1976. We provide full service and repair for plumbing, heating, air conditioning, drain clearing, and refrigeration services. We specialize in residential, commercial, and property management. We have 24-hour, 7 days a week emergency service or after hours. We always provide a free estimate and never charge a dispatch fee. In addition, our technicians are paid by the hour. What that means for you is when a Crystal Blue technician comes to your home, they get paid whether they do work or don't do work. All of our technicians and staff are professionally trained to protect your home. We're licensed, insured, and have an A++ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Don't take my word for it. Ask our fans. Voted best of the best for 2012. You can find us at www.crystalblueplumbing.com or call us anytime at 916-577-5020. Thanks.
Crystal Blue Persuasion. It's a new vibration. Crystal Blue Persuasion. Crystal Blue Persuasion.